Hello students, in our previous video we discussed about syllabus analysis on general science part A physical science. Now we will discuss part B biological science. There is a chance to ask one or two questions in 1 mark or 2 mark questions from environmental education. So a biology is for 50 marks. In that 50 marks either 1 mark question or 2 marks question chance is there from environmental education, it seems. For example, if we consider in pre-final examination, you got one question that what are the questions that you are going to ask the environmentalist. Here environmentalist is nothing but the person who cares about the environment is called environmentalist. Not only these kind of questions, we have issues like global warming, greenhouse gases, what are the reasons for global warming and how to reduce the global warming, and 3R's law, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. And nowadays one R also added, that is 4R's law, reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. These questions are very important from environmental education chapters, so we should focus more on this. And in 1 and 2 mark questions there will be one question in each in the tabular form. So from these two questions also maybe one tabular question possibility is there, it seems, in biology. Next, if we consider section 2, two questions will be descriptive type. Here descriptive is nothing but explanation questions. For example, if we consider means explain the structure of chloroplast with a neatly labeled diagram. We have to describe the working of chloroplast and function of sperm cells. Like this kind of questions will be asked, and one question may be an explanation and one may be differentiation. Remember this word differentiation, it is very important in biology. We have so many questions. For example, if we consider first chapter, the most important questions are differences between chlorophyll and chloroplast is very important, and the difference between light reaction and dark reactions is very important. Still questions are there, autotrophs and heterotrophs, ingestion, digestion, these are rarely asking, but among these two are very important, that is differences between chlorophyll and chloroplast, and light reactions, dark reactions. And if we consider second chapter respiration, we have respiration, differences between respiration and photosynthesis question, that is also very one of the important most important question. And if we consider third chapter, in that single circulation and double circulation question is important. If we consider fourth chapter excretion, in that primary metabolites, secondary metabolites, PCT and DCT. Likewise, we have so many questions. If we consider sixth chapter reproduction, in that very important questions are there, that is differences between sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction, mitosis and meiosis. These kind of questions you have to focus more. And in second lesson also one more question is there, that is similarities. What are the similarities between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration? These kind of questions will be asked. And here they give one more instruction, that is one question will be from a tabular form or from a paragraph which is given. So you all observed in pre-final examination also, one question is they are giving in the form of table. In the table all the data they are giving, based on the data only they are asking questions. If table is missed, you get paragraph. So from the paragraph or from the table, the questions they are asking, maximum answers 90% will be present in the table or paragraph, it seems. See here, most of the answers will be given, most of the answers will be in the given table or in the given paragraph. Maybe if they give 4 questions means one question you have to think, like that they will give. There is a chance to ask that table or form questions from chapters also, they mentioned clearly. Okay, see transportation chapter, because in transportation chapter we have endocrine glands, hormones table, plant hormones table is there, in excretion alkaloids table is there, and what are the excretory organs in other organisms is there, annelids, arthropods. Likewise in coordination chapter also we have in coordination chapter we have hormones table, and in transportation also we have tables. So students maximum has to practice and revise the tables present in chapter number 3 that is transportation, and 4 excretion and coordination, chapter number 5. So tabular form questions maximum 99% they will give from transportation, chapter number 3, 4 and 5. Next, our environment concepts, that is chapter number 9 and 10. One question will be in the form of diagram or diagram based questions. These questions may ask from 1 and 6 chapters only. So 1 to 6 chapters means specifically they mentioned 6th chapter. In 6th chapter, what is that kind of question? One question is there, mitosis, meiosis. In that, diagrams are there. When the process is happening, that is mitosis and meiosis, few diagrams are there. They will give the diagram and they will miss the process what is happening in the diagram. Students has to focus on this. And if we consider transportation, in that arteries, veins and blood capillaries are there diagrams. They give only diagram and they will ask what it is. It is artery or vein or blood capillary. We have to identify. That kind of questions will be asked. Next, one question in section 4 will be given in descriptive type. That is question number 32. In physics you have 3 8 marks question, but in biology only 2 8 marks questions will be there. That is question number 32 and question number 33. So in that question number 32 will be descriptive type questions, explanation or explanation with the diagram based questions will be asked, and the other will be an experiment. That is question number 33 will be an experiment. For example, if we consider first lesson nutrition, in that how to test the presence of starch in green leaves by using iodine, moles of leaf experiment. How can you show that plants release oxygen in the presence of sunlight, that is hydrilla plant experiment. So in this way we have questions in nutrition chapter. If we consider second chapter, one question is there that is not there in TQ questions. That is experiments with yeast. Anaerobic respiration, about anaerobic respiration. Yeast can produce carbon dioxide, yeast can produce heat. That question is there, very very important. So students are requested to practice this question also. It is very very important. And in coordination in life process chapter, also lab activity in recent exam also they asked how the potato is moving in the cycle tube by comparing this with how food bolus is moving in the food pipe. In that way they are asking the questions. In question number 32, one question will be asked as explanation, and choice may be differentiation. Definitely in biology differentiation question you will get. Almost question number 33 may be given from nutrition, respiration, coordination in life process. Very clearly they mentioned 3 lessons: nutrition, respiration, nutrition chapter number 1, respiration chapter number 2, and coordination in life processes chapter number 7. And here also clearly they mentioned about the tabular form questions, that is from chapter number 3 transportation, excretion chapter number 4, coordination, that is chapter number 5. So very clearly they gave the clarity, so please go through according to the syllabus analysis. And it has a choice with another experiment. So in question number 33, 2 experiments will be asked. One will be choice, that already you know. Here I want to mention one important point. Don't change your pen repeatedly while you are writing answers. It is better to use one pen, either blue or black, to write your answers. So one section with blue colored pen, another section with the black colored pen. This is not good. So you have to use only blue or black. You can carry these 2 pens, but if you are writing with completely blue, means for headings, for underlining purpose you can use black. If you are using black pen, you should use the blue pen for underlining and for headings. So in that way you should maintain your answer script only for underlining purpose. The other color pen, only blue and black. So these are the instructions, and based on this they give few model papers with key. So I am attaching this document in the description, so please download and go through this.